Welcome to the start of your market journey. You have taken the first step towards unlocking the secrets of the market. We are here to help make your journey as easy as possible. It may be hard, but we promise you that it will be worth it. Trading is one of the most difficult jobs, but worthy if you master. Let's start. Basics and foundation. What is price? There will be many ways to evaluate a company, but the price itself gives you the most accurate signals. Notice that there will be times na may good news with the stock, pero imbes na umangat, bumabagsak. The market is full of uncertainty, kaya the only thing you need to focus on is kung saan ba talaga pupunta yung price. To master trading, you need to deeply understand the narrative o yung kwentong gustong iparating ng presyo. Price is the most important element in a chart, and all other things that you see in your chart are just of secondary importance. The majority of trading indicators are just derivative of price. Price will always be king in the stock market. Nagre-react lang tayo sa kung papaano gagalaw yung presyo. We as traders should be adaptive sa market. In our case, sinasabayan lang natin yung galaw niya. Simple lang. If the price goes up, then we buy. When the price goes down, then we sell. Sabi nga ni Bruce Lee, be formless, shapeless, like water. Be water, my friend. Just as water adapts to fit whatever container is provided, we as traders must be like water and adapt without struggle to suit the ever-changing market conditions. You can never control the price, but you can learn to flow with it. And since yung price is the most important element, dapat nag-o-occupy yan ng pinakamalaking espasyo sa chart para mas clear at madali yung pag-a-analyze ng stock. It is not advisable to have plenty of indicators in the chart. The lesser the better. Mas na-avoid natin yung unnecessary noise and yung signal sa trading. The simpler the chart, the more clearer and easier execution. Just keep it simple.